Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 8 against the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro. So both of these phones have the Snapdragon 845 CPU, 6GB of RAM versus 8, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Mi 8 Pro finished first, however the regular Mi 8 scored overall higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 8 Pro scored higher for the CPU and GPU, the regular Mi 8 scored higher on the UX, then the Mi 8 Pro scored higher on the memory. That wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.